Hi everybody, it's Daddy. It's June 29th, Hong Kong, 2011, and we're going to do a video trying to find some Hong Kong trolleys. Let's take a look and see if we can find any. Oh, I think I see one. Lots of buses, and here comes a skinny old trolley. We are in Wong Chai in Hong Kong. Oh, I see 3 trolleys and cars, and there's not an accident. Okay, hopefully here comes some trolleys. There's some taxis. Oh man, this is a good one. We got a mixer. When are the trolleys gonna come by? Let's see if I can zoom in. Okay, there we go. Hot trolley action. 1, 2, 3, there goes a bus, and 4. Cat, hope you enjoyed this video. Daddy misses you. See you very soon.